My last and next trip. My name is Jessica Bruna Campo Ruiz. Course English 1. Logistic Technology Industrial. Teacher Libby Tatiana Luzano. Last trip. The last year with my husband visited the Nápoles farm located in Doral, Antioquia. The weather was sunny. During the visit, we walked around the park. Together visited the zoo. When we saw tiger, elephant, hippopotamus, zebras, bears, snake, and other exotic animals. An emotionally activity was to feed a hippopotamus baby. Also, we enjoy the different aquatic attraction during the third days. My husband, hippopotamus baby, elephant, exotic animal, tiger, zebra. Next trip. We are planning the next trip. We want to Cano, Argentina. The first place that we are going to visit is Buenos Aires because it has an European architecture. The principal places to visited are the Colón Theatre, the notable building Casa Rosada, the Recoleta Cemetery, the Obelisk, and Zoo Luján. Casa Rosada, the Obelisk, and Zoo Luján. The Colón Theatre, European architecture. Thanks.